All right, once you have your document set up in Google Drive, you want to go ahead and make teams. To do that, you need to sort your information. In order to do that, you need to remove these top two rows. You're going to select all. That's Command A. Data sort range. Your data has a header. You want to first sort by grade, then sort by day part. Click OK. Then you want to start to look at your numbers. So there's going to be a total of 63 people. First, let's move these Ks and pre-Ks up. So 63, we're looking at 3 groups. They can get up to 20 at a time, a little bigger if you need to, but that's going to be the goal we're going to shoot for. Next thing we need to do after we get this straight is look at where all our grades fall. So pre-K through second grade is 43 kids. Then third graders, it looks like there's only 4. And then fourth, fifth, and sixth is going to be the remaining, how many? Let's see here, 16. So let's see if we can split those 47 into 2 groups. To do that, let's take the first 23 and see how that shapes up. We got all day. We have 3 a.m.s, 5 a.m.s, and no p.m.s. So let's move these 2 p.m.s in here. That gives us in the first 23. Oops, 23. Yep, that's 23. That gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a.m.s, 2 p.m.s. Let's look at the next ones all the way down to the 4th graders. That's 24. That gives us 3 a.m.s, no p.m.s, so 21. So this isn't a perfect science, but looking at this, if I insert a row here and I insert a row here, it looks like I have 3 teams. So I have first group's going to be 23 kids. In the morning, they will have 21. And in the afternoon, they will be missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there'll be 18 kids in the afternoon. Both of those numbers work, 18 and 21. And then down here in the second group, we have 24 total. In the morning, they'll have 21. Sorry, in the morning, they'll have 24. They'll have all 24. In the afternoon, they'll have 21. So again, that's within our range of 20 to 28. And even if this were all sports, that stays within our range of 16 to 24. And then this group, as oftentimes it'll happen, will just be one group of 16. In the morning, they will have 15. And in the afternoon, they will have 11, which is still enough to scrimmage themselves. So once I have what feels good, I'm going to go ahead and separate out the teams. I'm going to insert a row here. I'm going to highlight it and make it yellow. I'm going to say that this is Steph and Marissa's team. And then I'm going to start going through and organize what we don't need. We don't need the drop-offs, so I'm going to move them over here because we're only doing checkout with our coaches. Drop-off we don't need. Pick-up, drop-off we don't need. And then I can delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Edit, delete. And then I want to go ahead and put in the check boxes for the coaches. Here, I'm going to go in the help and just type in checkbox, insert checkbox. I can do these, copy, and we're going to name it the next people's team. You enter your other coach's name. So all in all, when you're done, it's going to look something like this. It looks like I haven't done, but you get all 3 teams. You add your check-in sheets. And then the last thing you can do if you want is you can separate out each team for just that coach. So when they're checking out on their phone, they only see their own roster rather than the master roster, like that. Because this is going to show up on their phone when the parent comes in the day, they're going to check them out. It won't be this simple every time. You're definitely going to need support. Ask your regional leaders, ask Marissa, ask Nick, and we'll help you get it sorted out, and we'll learn as we go.